Hi, in this video I will review the Stilus Offroad electric mountain bike. I bought it with my own money and I want to review it for you. If you're interested in also buying it, it's only in Europe available, I think. I will link it below. And also I'm showing you a little test run on a trail. This is the bike from the side. Got some nice beefy brakes and all the gears. They're pretty clean because I picked it up yesterday. Here's the battery. These are the controls. Over here you turn it on, the bike, or with this button on the battery. But also at the handle you can turn it on or off. And you have the plus button and the minus button. When you shift down for the electrical backup. And here's the front brake, the rear brake, the upshifter, downshifter for these blades. I added myself this this holder for the water bottle. At the store they added this light. And also this one for the Dutch requirements, law. And also these side blinker thingies, I don't know what the name is. And I also added a lock, of course, in this rear mud flap, and also the front one. Mount over here in this tube over here, and also I mounted this phone holder. I will link it below which one it is. It's really nice because you can take it off like this and put it in a backpack, and you also can use it for a motorcycle and take it with you on a trip, so you can put your phone on it, in it. The light of the battery doesn't light up, so at the battery you can't see if it's full or not. Only this indicating light. With the charger, I don't know when it's full, it turns green or goes out. We'll see. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And now some technical specifications from the bike. It's a Stilus Offroad mountain bike. It has 9 gears. It's electric with a mid-frame motor. The mountain bike is rated for 100 kilos. It doesn't have connectivity with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, but you have this controller on the steering wheel. The battery is here in the frame, and you can lock the battery so the thieves don't steal it out of the frame. In the advertisement they say that you can ride 70 kilometers with the battery. The battery is 504 watt hours, and the torque in the engine, the electrical engine, is 110 Newton meters. So it has the mid-engine. It's Star Union CM2502 with a max output of 410 watts, and you can ride 25 kilometers an hour with it, and then it shuts off. The frame is aluminum, and like I already said, with an integrated battery in the frame, and wheels are 29-inch, and the brakes are from Shimano with 2 pistons, and it has only rear gears, 9 of them total, and 1 blade in the front. It's a hard trail mountain bike, and it has only suspension on the front, and you can lock it with this button over here. And also I have this DJI camera holder, which where I'm filming now from. I also will link this below because I really like this setup. Yeah, overall I'm really impressed. I've biked, I think, now 20k with it in total, I have to say. And now in this trip 12k, and the bar, I don't know if you can see, the bar is still 5 bars out of 5. The downside of this, which I don't like, you don't see a percentage of the battery. For now, that's the only downside which I found. It's a powerful battery. They advertise it that you can ride a bike with it for 70k. I think here in the Netherlands it would be reachable, but in the mountains I doubt if you reach it. And also on this hill the motor had to put a lot of force into it, because I weigh about 105 kilos, so they rated it for 100 kilo, but who cares? Those extra 5 kilos, it would handle it. So now we'll take you along on the trail. This little trail, because it's real tiny, but it's land-waste hill where I can test the bike a little bit out on steep terrain. And I also like to go off-road, so that's why I bought this bike. And I had on the internet a lot of good reviews, like 100, also from other countries, and I first wanted to buy a different bike, but this one was normally around 1900 euros at this time of recording, but they had an offer for 500 euros cashback, so I bought this one. Much more steeper than I thought. I don't like this path, they're all brambles. a bit tricky because the bike wanted to go and I had to stop because the road wasn't clear. Wow, that was impressive. I had a few hills which I normally had to ship down with a normal mountain bike, and now I or was in the wrong gear or shifted down once, and I managed to go up the hill, or I was in the wrong gear and didn't manage, but you noticed the bike will shoot away, so I had to really firmly hold it in my hands, so it didn't fall down. That's 40. Down a lot because this is a normal road, but I reached 45. it on. So I biked around 10 minutes and on this land-waste hill, but I'm really impressed with this bike. And also at the end I managed to get 47.5k out of the battery at the highest position, and at the end, the last 5k, I downshifted to 4 and 3, and now it's completely empty. And also I had a problem with the gear shifter for the highest gear, so I fixed it by turning the highest screw, and then the gears were aligned, and so now it's not anymore slipping. So this concludes this video. If you liked it, please give it a like and subscribe for more future videos. And I also update in the future for the performance of the bike. And thanks for watching.